Hello guys, welcome back. Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from one exchange to another exchange with zero fees. Okay, now first I'll show you how to transfer USDT from one Binance account to another Binance account for free. Guys, by using this technique, not only USDT, you can transfer whichever cryptocurrency you want from one Binance account to another Binance account with zero fees. And many exchanges will provide facilities like this. For example, Bitmart, Bitget, on these exchanges also you can transfer cryptocurrency from bitget to bitget or from bitmart to bitmart completely for free. Okay, now click on the wallet option. Now at the top you have an option called funding, so click on that. Guys, if you want to send crypto to anyone, then you need to have crypto on your funding wallet first. Later in this video I'll show you how to add funds to your funding wallet. Okay, so watch the video till the end. Now here you'll find an option called pay, so just click on this. Now guys, if you want to send money to your friend's Binance account, then just tell him to copy this number and tell him to send you. And once he sends you the Binance Pay ID, then just click on send. Now click on Pay ID and paste that your friend's Binance Pay ID here and click on continue. Now I'm sending only 0.5 USDT to my friend, okay? So enter how much USDT or crypto you wanna send and click on the confirm option. Enter your Binance Fund security code. Yes, 0.5 USDT transferred successfully. Guys, it's very simple and there's no commission or fees in this. Guys, here you can see that my friend received 0.5 USDT which I sent him. And this is showing on his funding page. Okay, now to add funds on your funding wallet, just come on to the spot wallet. Click on the transfer option. Click on this to select which crypto you wanna send. I'll select USDT. Here enter your USDT amount or just click on max and click on confirm transfer. In case if someone sent you crypto to your funding wallet and if you want to transfer that from your funding wallet to spot wallet, then just click on this icon here and click on confirm transfer.